How to convert false to 0 and true to 1. Is there a way to convert true of type Unicode to 1 and false of type Unicode to 0 in Python? For example, x equals true and type x equals Unicode. I want x equals 1. PS, I don't want to use if else.
Use int on a Boolean test. Int turns the Boolean into 1 or 0. Note that any value not equal to true will result in 0 being returned. Here's yet another solution to your problem. It works because the sum of the ASCII codes of true is 448, which is even, while the sum of the ASCII codes of false is 523, which is odd. The funny thing about this solution is that its result is pretty random if the input is not one of true or false. Half of the time it will return 0, and the other half 1. The variant using encode will raise an encoding error if the input is not ASCII, thus increasing the undefinedness of the behavior. Seriously, I believe the most readable and faster solution is to use an if. See some microbenchmarks. Notice how the if solution is at least 2.5x times faster than all the other solutions. It does not make sense to put as a requirement to avoid using ifs except if this is some kind of homework, in which case you shouldn't have asked this in the first place.
If B is a Boolean array, right? A bit code LoFi.
You can use x.astype, uint8, where x is your Boolean array.